In this video, we will be solving this question which says let fxy is equal to 2x square minus 4x plus y square minus 4y plus 1 be defined over the area bounded by the straight lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2x. Find and classify all the extreme points of this function. Also find the extreme value of the function. Now, since the question says already that the area is bounded, so our problem becomes find. So the basic concept is if we have to find the maximum and minimum values or the extreme values of a differentiable function fx defined on a closed and bounded set S in Rn space, then your first step would be find all the stationary points of f in the interior of the set. So this is your set S. Second step would be find the largest and the smallest value of the function on the boundary of set S. Third would be compute the values of the function at all the points found in first and second. The largest value will be your maximum of the function and the smallest value will be the minimum of the function. So let's begin. As you can see that the shaded region is your set S and it is closed and bounded where this is y is equal to 2. This is your y-axis is x is equal to 0 and you have the third line as y is equal to 2x. And you have the triangle ABO where A is 0, 2, B is 1, 2 and O is 0, 0. So let's apply the algorithm mentioned above. First we have to find all the stationary points. For that the given function is 2x square minus 4x plus y square minus 4y plus 1. Partially differentiating it with respect to x will give me del f by del x which is equal to 4x minus 4. Now equating it to 0, I get del f by del x is equal to 0 or 4x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Now again I have to differentiate it with respect to y. That would be del f by del y which is equal to 2y minus 4 and equating it to 0 for the stationary points. I'll get that 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y is equal to 2. So my stationary point is 1, 2. Now let's check on the corners, which was 0, 0, 0, 2 and 1, 2. Your A, B and O points. So the value of the function at point 0, 0 is 2 multiplied by 0 square minus 4 multiplied by 0 plus 0 square minus 4 multiplied by 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. F02 is equal to minus 3 and f of 1, 2 is equal to minus 5. Now let's check on the boundaries. Along the line OA, here your x is 0 and y belongs to 0 to 2. So your x is fixed, thus your function will be in the terms of y only. Hence I will get f1y which is equal to f of 0, y and this will be twice of 0 square minus 4 times 0 plus y square minus 4y plus 1. Or f1y is y square minus 4y plus 1. Now differentiating it with respect to y, I will get 2y minus 4 and equating it to 0, I get 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. So here critical point is 0, 2 and as we have already calculated before, the function takes a value of minus 3 at the point 0, 2. Now let's check along the line AB where y is equal to 2 and x belongs to 0 to 1. Your y is fixed and thus your function will be in terms of x only. Thus you will get f2x or f of x, 2 which will be equal to 2x square minus 4x plus 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 or 2x square minus 4x minus 3. So differentiating it with respect to x, I will get that f2 prime x is equal to 4x minus 4. Again equating it to 0 for the critical point, I will get that 4x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. Thus here your critical point is x1 and y2 that is 1, 2 and the function takes the value of minus 5 at f1, 2 as we have already calculated before. Now see here, it's by chance that the corner points are coming out to be the critical points. It could be the case that a point 0.5, 2 would be your critical point if you calculate along the line and then you have to calculate the functional value of it. Now let's check along the line OB. Here y is equal to 2x. So making the substitution, your function becomes f of x comma 2x, which will be 2x square minus 4x plus 2x square minus 4 times 2x plus 1, which is 6x square minus 12x plus 1. Now differentiating it with respect to x, I will get 12x minus 12, and equating it to 0 for the critical point, I get x is equal to 1. Since x is 1 and y is equal to 2x, so that will be twice of 1 or 2. Hence your critical point here is 1, 2, and the function attains the value of minus 5 at that point. So the overall we have 3 points. At 0, 0 the function takes a value of 1. At 0, 2 the function takes a value of minus 3, and at 1, 2 the function takes a value of minus 5. Now comparing this, I can clearly see that the function takes the minimum value of minus 5 at 1, 2 and the maximum value of 1 at 0, 0.